The company Unitek has a different approach to a card reader, and here it is. And today we're going to take a look and see how it works, how it functions, and how usable it is. Hi everyone, this is Dirk. Thanks so much for tuning in. It is important to notice that this is an XQD card reader. XQD cards are blazing fast cards. Unfortunately, I don't have any devices that are using these type of cards, so I can't test it today. But there are enough other card slots on this device. First, let's peel off the plastic. In the front, we have the XQD card slot, an SD card slot, and a USB port. And there's also some plastic to peel off from the back. And here we have our microSD card slot and another USB port. The surface is made of metal and has a nice finish. The attached USB cable is very short. If it was a bit longer, it would be so much more practical and convenient to use. Because of that, I had to use my USB hub as an extension. First we're plugging in a USB stick, and it was instantly recognized by my PC. Interesting to know is that you can use this USB port also as a pass-through. So for example, I could use this to read out my camera. And the same thing goes for the USB port in the front. You can whether use it to read out a USB stick, or you can use it as a USB pass-through and you can connect, for example, your camera. Every device that you would connect would be instantly registered and connected to your PC. And now let's insert and test an SD card. You have to put it in with the pins pointing upwards, and you cannot push it in very far, only as much as the pins are covered by the card reader. Here we can see that this card reader does not support UHS 2 cards. We're getting the speed as if it was a UHS 1 card. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that, unless transfer speed is important to you. When I inserted the microSD card, it would not register on my computer, so I had to disconnect and reconnect the card reader with the microSD card included in order to be able to transfer files. We're using Crystal Disk Mark, a free program to test the card speeds, and here you can see that the speed we're getting reading out a microSD card with this card reader is pretty good. Now, what are your thoughts on the Unitek card reader? Is this something you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching this, and tune in soon again. Bye for now.